When you think of Dr. Lal PathLabs, you probably think about getting a test done when you're already feeling sick, right? Well, what if that whole idea got flipped on its head? What if they could tell you what you're at risk for before you even feel a thing? That's the groundbreaking shift in healthcare we're going to decode today.
Okay, let me ask you something, and be honest. Do you really know what's going on inside your body? Like, right this second? The scary thing is, a lot of major health issues, we're talking heart disease, diabetes, they can creep up on you for years without a single warning sign. They're these silent risks just building up under the surface, completely hidden. And this isn't some small problem. It's a massive issue, especially in a place like India, where there's this growing crisis of what they call non-communicable diseases, or NCDs. You've heard of these, right? They're the lifestyle-related ones, and honestly, they pose this huge, invisible threat to all of us.
So this gets to the core of it. Think about how we usually handle our health. It's almost always reactive. We wait until something hurts, we see a symptom, and then we run to the doctor to fix a problem that's already there. But imagine a different way, a proactive approach. It's all about flipping that script, catching potential problems way before they ever get a chance to start.
And that proactive idea, that's the heart of this brand new solution from Dr. Lal PathLabs. It's called Sovaaka.
Okay, so what is Sovaaka? Well, it's this really cool, first-of-its-kind platform that's powered by AI. And what I find so interesting is how it takes something we all know, a simple blood test, and combines it with something from the future. It uses that same old blood test, but then unleashes this powerful AI to dig deep into it and spot potential health risks down the road.
You know, the CEO, Shankar Banerjee, really nailed it when he talked about the mission here. He said it's all about empowering people with personalized, actionable insights. And that's the key word, right? Actionable. This isn't about getting a bunch of confusing numbers. It's about getting information you can actually do something with, so you can be in the driver's seat of your own health.
So the big question is, how does this actually work? How do you get from a simple blood draw to these incredible personalized insights? Let's walk through it.
The whole process is surprisingly simple. First up, you just give a single blood sample. Super normal, nothing crazy. Then comes the magic. This is the game-changing part. A super advanced AI engine gets to work, analyzing all these key markers in your blood. It's spotting these tiny patterns that could signal future risks, stuff a human might totally miss. And finally, all that super complex analysis gets translated into a clear digital report that actually makes sense and tells you what to do.
And this report isn't just a sheet of lab results. No, it's the whole package. You get these really deep insights from the AI, but they're laid out in a way that's actually easy to understand. It gives you real recommendations like, hey, maybe you should try this kind of food, or this type of exercise would be great for you. And get this, it even includes a one-on-one consultation with a doctor to go over everything, so you're not left alone trying to figure it all out.
Okay, let's zoom out a bit. What does this all really mean for you, for me, for all of us? We're not just talking about another medical test here. This is a totally different way of thinking about our health and our future.
The big picture is this. We're moving away from a world where we just treat sickness after it shows up. Instead, we're moving toward a future where we can actively manage our wellness. It's about staying healthy, not just fixing things when they break.
And that is the real power of something like Sovaaka. It literally puts the knowledge and the power right in your hands. It gives you the info you need to make smarter choices about your life, what you eat, how you live. And you get to do it long before a problem ever gets the chance to start.
So all of this leaves us with a really important question to think about. As our healthcare gets smarter, more predictive, it's not really about the tech anymore. The real question shifts to us. What are you going to do with that power? How will you use it to take control of your health and your future?